All right, we're here at Morey's Piers in Wildwood, New Jersey, home of the greatest SLC to ever do it. We're here this weekend for Coasting by the Ocean. All right, let's get into it. Honestly, being someone who's come here since the 1900s, they've really updated Wildwood a lot. It used to be kind of like looked down upon. Oh, you're going to Wildwood, you could go to better places, but Morey's has really cleaned up their act. I like this, and I'm glad that they're hosting this event so far.
So how was it?
So friggin' jumpy. It always gets me, these type of janky haunted houses. It's better, honestly, it's good for a boardwalk haunted house.
All right, so we're about to ride my favorite log flume of all time. This is the best log flume that they got.
Okay.
Allegedly.
Not allegedly.
It's a legend for sure.
It's a legend? No, it's not subjective. It's a great log flume. All right, so we did get on that legendary log flume. However, we tried to marathon it, so we went around twice and it malfunctioned, so we were stuck for about 15 minutes. We're actually the wet that I want to be.
Yeah.
Especially as hot as it is.
Not stopping wet.
Huh?
Was it good?
It was good.
Yeah. It's top 10. So one of the things that I'm most excited for is going to the water parks here at Morey's. When I was a little kid, my mom would never let me come to the water park because the beach is literally right there. And she always said, we don't have money for the water park, just for the beach. So now that I'm grown and I spend my own money, I can attend the water park. So I feel like I'm rich today.
Coming in hot.
Oh my God. Hey.
We sitting here in front of this noisy thing, waiting for some more food at what is this? Founders, and they have all these news articles on the table. And apparently, genius Eugenius invents super sturdy screw piles to keep seaside piers in place back in 1853.
All right, so we had pizza. Y'all know I'm lactose intolerant, but at Founders, we did have a nice time. Aaron already explained the newspaper articles on the table. It was pretty good food here at Morey's. I like that they have that little restaurant. So we are gonna ride some of the things on the middle pier here. It used to be called Mariners Landing. I think it's called Mariners Pier now. So we're actually gonna ride this like pedal boat thing so that we can burn off some of that pizza. This is exhausting. Exhausting. Not the smartest idea.
We all know I jump at haunted houses and it didn't disappoint. Seen a lot far worse haunted houses even at the big places during Halloween, so it's cool.
It was cute. I didn't know Tyler could jump that high.
Okay, look at him, he's 8 feet tall. Tyler jumped out of his skin. Okay. Very scared. Did I tell y'all that Morey's Pier is like 100% a nighttime park? Also, this SBF Visa Spinner is our only new credit of 2024 so far. We haven't been anywhere crazy new. So here's to one credit in 2024 thus far. We're on top of the tallest Ferris wheel in New Jersey. You're glowing. Woo. Oh my Tyler.
Oh my God. There's a breeze for you.
It is very far down.
Oh my God!
It's a long, long way. The wind is winding. And that is all ocean.
For being a janky little thing.
In the front,
Yeah. Is it bad in the back?
in the back, it was beating my behind, tearing me up. Yeah. It's cute, I guess. We rode Great White. Oh, it's beautiful, glowing in the dark. Great White is running great to me. It's been retracked in the last couple of years. I liked it. So we're like kind of thinking about options tonight, and I agreed with Tyler that I would ride the Sky Coaster. And I normally don't put my life in the hands of Wire. And for insurance purposes, Aaron's not riding. Just me. Somebody's got to make the claim, so we'll see how it goes. The man said, "Who's gonna pull the ripcord?" And I said, "Me," with zero hesitation.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the marijuana.
I am not relying on Tyler to decide when we drop. Okay? It wasn't as bad as it looked, but it really wasn't cute either. It was just a lot. It's a lot to process.
Yeah, I mean, I thought it was fun. The drop, that part
Until it catches, you're not sure. So that free fall, the free fall aspect is very terrifying. But once it catches, it's like it's all right.
How you doing?
Sore from being fat. Because all I did was walk around with my big ass and eat French fries and shit. I ain't one of these little 20-something-year-olds who can match your freak.
We just rode the Sea Serpent, which is like the smoothest SLC, but it's still a little bit intense. It's a very older, intense model. The Larson drop towers are way scarier than the S&S drop towers. This atmosphere here at Morey's is no exception. It's like the one at Knoebels and the one in Waldemere. They're just terrifying.
It's just fast, and you're free falling for a large portion of the time. There's no brakes.
Yeah, Tyler was like, ah!
I was screaming continual.
I was lost for words for sure.
Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please. Move out the way. Here comes Trammy. There they go. Did you watch the tram car? You better have.
Oh my!
right, so we ate lunch and we rode the Pirates Cove because Tyler couldn't get in there yesterday. Overall, we had a good 2 days here at Morey's. What did you think?
Yeah, they did all right.
They did all right. It's definitely.
It's a great event, honestly.
Yeah, so Coasting by the Ocean is a great event. It's a good value. I'm really happy that Morey's put this together for the enthusiasts. The improvements around here are monumental. So if you get a chance to really check out this park, it's not how it used to be. It's actually really great. This is going to be the last video for quite some time until we get back from Germany. So enjoy, comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in like 6 to 8 weeks. Bye.